Hello everyone, I am David Lewis and welcome to the Tip of the Week. Today I want to ask you all a few questions and I need you all to answer them in your head. My first question is, do you believe in trial closes? Now if you said yes, my next question is, do you believe we should do a trial close after the demonstration drive and before we go back into the showroom to negotiate the deal? Again, if you said yes, would you now agree that one of the most common trial closing questions asked at this point in time would be, so if we could come together in terms and numbers, would you buy the car today? And again, if your answer is yes, what percentage of the time does the customer respond with, of course, if the numbers work, we would most definitely buy the car today? So here now is my tip of the week. If you can honestly state that greater than 80% of the times you ask that question, if we could come together in terms and numbers, would you buy the car today? And they said yes, then keep doing it. But if your number is less than 80%, you really want to think twice about doing trial closes. You see, trial closes make the customer more defensive, apprehensive, and scared. If you have done your job properly during the presentation and demonstration, you should already have the customer sold, and who would not buy if the numbers worked out? All you're doing by asking and stating trial closes is making your customer more defensive and less likely to buy. Please think about this. I'm confident you will make the right decision for yourself. Good luck, everyone, and as always, please be safe.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.